All right, good evening. We are going to continue on examples and problems in indices. We are going to be looking at advanced problems in indices. You see, the reason is not just to let you or make you feel that we can solve problems, but by taking you through all these problems, it will expose you to, shall I say, better techniques you should have or know as regard indices. Anywhere, anytime, whenever you are being faced with any issues under indices, then you should know what to really do to find your way out of it. Is that okay? So somehow I'll be bringing to us several questions in different ways or formats under this particular topic. So let's look at this particular one before all today. It says 5 power x minus 5 power x minus 1 is equal to 100. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. Is that okay? Now, in this thing, it might look so tedious, but very, very simple. If you watch here now, I think there's one common term. There's a common term here. All right? We are going to bring it out just like normal equation. Now, the common term here is 5x power 1. I'm going to show you something here. Let's say solution. Solution. I say we factor out the common term. We factor out the common term, which is 5 power x minus 1. Now let's look at something here. Is that okay? So when we do, we are going to have 5 power x minus 1 into brackets 5 power 1 minus 1 equal to 100. Now, if you want to check if this is equal to this, simply multiply what is outside with the ones inside. Then at the end, you're going to have this thing back. Is that okay? Please try. Do not assume I'm right. I'm not organic, but still find out on your own. That is what strengthens your mathematics knowledge. Is that okay? Thank you. Now let's go further. Now, from here, we have 5 power x minus 1. Now, 5 power 1 is 5 minus 1 is equal to 100. Are we following? Now, 5 power x minus 1, then 5 minus 1 is 4, equal to 100. Is that okay? At this point, I'm going, this thing here means 5x power 1 times 4. Is that okay? So let's assume this 4 here in the brackets to be the coefficient of this 5 power x minus 1. I repeat, let's assume this 4 here to be the coefficient of 5 power x minus 1. Just like we always do, let's say we have 2x is equal to 10. Now this 2 here now is the coefficient of this x. So to get x, we divide both sides by 2. So that means, therefore, x is equal to 5 on this place. Now let's come back here. At this point, we divide both sides by this 4, which we take as the coefficient of this 5 power x minus 1. Is that okay? So you say divide both sides by 4 such that we have 5 power x minus 1, 4 is equal to 100 over 4 over 4. Is that okay? So 4 cancel out 4. We are left with 5 power x minus 1 equal to 4 into 100 is 25. Now this is an initial equation. Okay? At this point, what we are going to do is to make the base here and the one here to be the same. Here we have 5 as the base. This is just a whole number. So let's make this whole number to have the same base as this. In other words, let's say I have here is 5 power x minus 1 equal to, now 5 is base here. Let me put a 5 here now. Now, can 5 be raised to any power to give me 25? Of course, 2. If I raise 5 to the power of 2, that is 25. At this point, I have the same base. Is that okay? Now, the law says at this point, we are going to take out these two bases. So we are left with power x minus 1 is equal to power 2 on the right hand side. Is that okay? Now at this point, we collect like terms. X is equal to 2. This minus 1 comes to meet 2 here, becomes plus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Is that okay? So just gradually, don't rush this question. It is very easy and simple. I would like you to solve something like this anywhere you actually see it. Is that okay? So thank you for watching, and see you in the next class. You're going to get your assignments like soon. And please, I want to also remind you, the very platform where this thing is being posted, this lesson is being posted, please kindly subscribe there. Is that okay? Do well to subscribe. And also, those your friends in your class, they should be aware of what you are getting from this platform. Very much important. The point is that this is one of the ways to show how you really love your friends, by bringing good things to their doorstep. So please, they should be aware of what you are gaining from this particular platform. Is that okay? Let me also urge you as well, always try to attend to your assignments. Please, I beg of you. You might fail it, but you can still get corrected. And the more you fail and get correction, the more perfect you become. So please, take your assignment very, very serious. Thank you very much.